My reason for bringing up the laptops and the technology that my great aunt utilizes today is because of the correlation of learning complex skills when she was in the industry versus inferiority stage of her life. At the end of my oral interview, I took the time to ask her how the change of technology has impacted um, things today. And she told me about the laptops and the tablets and cell phones and how things have changed. But then she delved into an even greater topic about how quickly people are able to find out about what's going on in the world and current events. For example, how quickly people found out about the alt-right movement and the violence that progressed when protesters clashed. This was actually very alarming to my great aunt because she said that although racism existed, it's on a greater scale today. And she lumped the racism in with terrorism and how quickly we're able to see acts of violence that are perpetrated by individuals because of technology. And this goes against everything that she was taught when she was in the industry versus inferiority stage. She said people don't have the same respect anymore, and they'll have the respect that um, she had growing up. She also said that it's scarier now because you don't know when somebody's going to perpetrate an act of violence. It's something that, going back to the psychological crises, she doesn't understand why people don't care about each other or people don't have the same value for human life. She understood life cycles very early in age because of being on a farm. There was livestock on the farm. They had part of the farm was an operational dairy farm. They had cows. She understood the concepts of life and death at a very early age, which can be more complex topics for a child to understand. Again, that went against societal norms, but it was strictly because she was on a farm. The norms on a farm are very different from the norms from the rest of society. It was very interesting to see these differences and how somebody is older was shaped by their experiences.